Alright boys, so I came to the shop today, I ordered a bunch of stuff for the off-road and bullshit. But we kind of been, wanting to get a chainsaw, and I was like, let's just look it up. So I found a cheap Cobalt one. It's a 24-volt electric chainsaw. We have a bunch of DeWalt tools already and batteries and all that stuff.
You said DeWalt.
We have a bunch of Cobalt. I don't know why. Whenever I think electric stuff, I just think DeWalt automatically. It's because I used to work for that company, so I just always think of that without working. But we have to go all the way to Newington to get it because that's the closest store that has one. So we're going to grab it. Maybe we'll test it out later. Who knows? But it's just something that we want, and we don't really need. But it'd be nice to be able to clear trails out a little bit wider and stuff like that. But yeah, like I said, we have a bunch of batteries. Also, if any of you guys want to send us more Cobalt batteries, that would be sick.
We'll have a link in the description.
Yeah.
To the one that our tools take.
Yeah, and that would be awesome. Because when we start doing more and more stuff with the off-roading and even drift events, it's nice to just have a bunch of batteries ready to go, than to have a half-dead impact that you're you have to crack the bolts free by hand first and then use the impact. But yeah, so we're on our way there right now in the Legacy. This thing doesn't really like the highway that much. Whatever. Look out that window.
I don't see it. AJ ran over a bag on the highway and it didn't come out the back of the car.
Definitely still under there.
Yeah, it might be stuck under the subframe or blocking the air to your radiator, which both are bad.
We have arrived. I'm gonna get out and see if there's a bag in front of my car. Because it still has, unless I wasn't looking when it flew out, but I haven't seen it. They literally have a solar panel.
I saw that. It's like a light security system.
Yeah, it's powering a security system. Let's shut her off. Yeah, I'll park where the fucking thing is. Also fixed my e-brake. The button fell off and I fixed it. Bag?
Not easy to see. It's not directly in the front here.
Oh boy.
What? Don't tell me it's wrapped up in the headers.
I don't see a bag, but I do see some belts.
Belts?
Yeah.
Like power steering?
No. On the tires?
No.
Yeah.
Oh man, this is now a dangerous trip to Lowe's, boys. Your tires are belted after less than 2 months or whatever.
That's not good.
I do see, I think those are gas. 27 says chainsaws right there. Is that the one?
No, but this is... Oh, this is the 40.
It uses a different battery though, right?
Yeah.
I see the one you were looking at right there.
Yeah. So what's this one? This one is... this one's cemented, I think. What do you think?
Looks okay. We did watch the review. The blade's pretty small, seeing that in person.
Yeah. But honestly, when am I gonna, even cutting down a big tree, you do half of it.
Yeah, you just go to the other side. Boom, boom, yeah. And for the price, it is what it is.
That one's only $10 more for the 40.
Yeah, but then you have to switch batteries
How much
completely.
Are 40s? Where are the batteries?
They gotta be over in the tool aisle. Did you hit yourself?
No.
It smells like actual sewage over here. The 24 comes with a battery. If you're gonna get the 40, we might as well have just got the DeWalt one, dude.
No, we'll stick with the 24, dude.
The 24 it is. It's got everything we need. Here,
Battery charger.
We'll film the battery for anyone that's wondering. Or should we go over into the tool aisle and look at the batteries like on the shelf? Dude, why do we not have any of these? Look at this big one.
It's
Dude,
$100.
that's the one.
Either if you want to send us either of these two.
I'll zoom in on it. Get a nice shot here. There's the model number, I think, something like that. We need some of these, boys.
It was fun while it lasted. We're gonna lose the tire on the way home.
We might not. We might not.
Should we take the highway?
That's up to you. I'll let you decide our fate. If you want to understeer at 60 or understeer at 40, but on a way twistier road.
I feel like we didn't really go on that much highway.
The whole way here was highway.
No?
Route 8 South.
And then 6 through Bristol.
Oh, I guess, yeah,
roads.
that highway we got on right there.
Like we hopped on the highway for maybe
10
4
minutes.
miles,
Yeah.
and then Route 8 for 10 miles. We're taking the highway, boys.
And we're getting Chick-fil-A first, though.
Oh yeah.
We don't get to have Chick-fil-A very
I
often.
need to tax write-off.
Ah! Dude, AJ's starting to rice. Dude, stop. That's embarrassing. Oh, no. He has a Damien tune.
Why is that thing smoking brand new, dude?
Don't they have a problem?
No.
Stock?
The heads like fly off of them, I thought.
That's what I thought, too. Cool car, though. Respect. I like these a lot. If you own a diesel truck, please don't be this. This is a 3-letter word that I can't say because it'll get us in severe trouble nowadays. Don't be this guy.
The official unboxing. Carlos, what's there? Big ass blade, dude.
The bar.
I'm gonna put this back layer together and we're gonna cut some trees down our back. Alright, well we gotta go get some oil before we...
Cut my hand.
Okay. That's pretty good, dude.
You don't want to know my concern? That just seems way too rough, and I feel like this mechanism might break over time.
Mm-hmm. Just
You know what I
zip
mean?
tie it permanently closed.
You know what I'm saying, though? Like, it feels like a violent friggin'...
We can just leave it open because you still have to
Do they
click
give you
this.
warranty?
You still have to click this.
Yeah, there's a 5-year on it.
Oh, that's good. Are we gonna go Lowe's? Different Lowe's now?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay.
Should I bump the boost to 20?
No.
You don't think so?
Get me yourself a Max Speeding Rods Turbo. A little TO4E, do 25 PSI. Make 500 wheel, dude, no problem. I think. $11 might as well, you know?
Oh wait, is this X-Guard better, dude? I like the Get some
Let's get
Husky
the Husky
oil.
stuff for
Yeah.
our Gans chainsaw. Should have got a Husky. I wonder if Husky makes electric. These are pretty sick, dude. It's like every rich person has one of them. I've never seen that. I've never seen one that wasn't green. But yeah, that's like a rich person thing, dude. We got the wool. Husqvarna. Some Russian's gonna correct my pronunciation in the comments. I don't even know if this is Russian. Sounds like it. The lunch line every day, just dropping a f***ing steamer on the ground. They're great, dude. It had to have been a girl, dude. There's no way a dude was pulling down his pants, taking a poop. Beautiful. What? Okay. Hold it up. This is a two-man job here. Don't press the button, you know what I mean. We got the Husqvarna stuff. Oh, that did not take as much as I thought it was gonna.
Yeah, dude, let's go up here and cut some trees down.
Yeah, that's a good one. That's a good one, dude. That is probably not a good spot to put that.
I want to lop it right here.
Cut through the top of that one.
No, this is.
No, cut it right in there.
Oh, that was quick.
Yeah, it literally hit both of our toes. God.
Told you not to put that there.
Both of our toes.
We're going up here. I own this property, guys. This thing's mint, dude.
Cut some more, we need that. Cut some more, 16 inches, you know what I mean? Let's get in the truck.
The
and
truck.
go to our spot.
The truck is not here.
Oh, I forgot. We have nothing to go in.
Yeah,
AJ's getting tires tonight.
we're right up here, dude.
We need to go find the. How about this? Right here, dude.
This one right here.
That one's alive.
Okay. Which one?
Right there.
It's got the top is split in two.
Yeah, and then there's that big one leaning up against the Kirmites over there, dude. Cut a wedge and friggin' fell the tree, dude.
What way?
Probably
Fall
down the hill.
Yeah. Cut the wedge this way.
Look at this.
Hey, dude. Little.
It's pretty sketchy, you know what I mean?
How the f is it sketchy? That small blade is sketchy. Is there options for bigger ones?
Oh, here, I'll cut down this one. This one's sketchy.
Dude, cut the wedge out.
Cut
No,
the
I
one
don't
you
want
already.
that to hit me in the face.
It's not gonna. It's gonna fall forward, dude.
I'll cut this one right here.
That one's also alive. The one you were just hacking at is 100% dead.
Get that one going.
Just get her going.
Dude, you don't think that's gonna come down and hit me in the face?
Not if you cut the wedge in the right spot.
I was gonna be looking up chainsaw videos.
Oh no, it's bogged out twice now. mint, dude.
Dead on the inside. Cut the wedge out more though. Now that there's nothing there blocking you.
It's literally hollow.
We're saving it from the termites anyway.
There's like a love letter written on that tree. You see that, right?
Yeah. Now cut this side like at a serious angle. You know what I mean? Oh, my hand's already stretched. Like this? Like this. Look. Or it's just gonna fall back. You know. Ah, f it. You know what I mean? Just cut it around it. Look at this. No, just do it from the front because it's gonna fall towards you anyway. You know, you move faster in the videos and whatnot. I feel like that piece that's broken up top is. I feel like you could just push it.
Yeah, she coming down soon.
I feel like you just push it, dude. It's just sketchy. He's meant, dude. Kind of cheating because this one was hollow. But... Alright, well, we need firewood, boys. Get her going. We need some tortillas on the top. Thing's probably meant. It's on like one battery. Put this thing down right here, dude. This thing being a piece. Thing's mint, dude. You know what I mean? Start clearing them all out. Dude, thing's pretty good for what it is. Can I get this one?
I don't think that one's gonna happen.
Hey, how many bars are on the battery? How many bars are on the battery? One bar on the battery, cutting down a big old tree.
Dude, that one's big. I'm gonna, after that comes down, I'm gonna have to, if it even comes down, I'm gonna have to film it. I'll be impressed if that little chainsaw is making it through that thing.
We might need to go get a battery.
Careful with that fall right behind you.
What? side is like completely termites.
Oh!
Pretty good, dude.
Yeah, impressive.
Termites. Alright, I guess that's enough testing.
It's good.
If it did that on one battery, good purchase.
Yeah, can you accept the fact that it was a good one?
It was a good purchase.
Damien was hating on it before we bought it.
Well, because he showed me that, well, first of all, I have a gas one that is free. I've never used it, but it's just chilling in my garage. So I was like, you could just have that one. And he's like, no, go buy it. You know what I mean?
Thing came down no problem, dude.
Wish I had a longer bar, dude.
Yeah.
Do they have them?
You could probably get one.
Like a 20-inch jam or something?
Honestly, I probably wouldn't go any further than a
20 is good, dude. 20 is only here.
It's real portable though. The way it sits, you could store that mat easy.
Yeah, true.
And you just prove that you just walk around the tree, go around it, and cut in from every corner.
I suppose, dude.
Or corner's the wrong
I
word.
like how that one came down.
Yeah, that was good.
That satisfied my inner, like,
That was clean.
rock throwing into water.
That was a real clean fell.
All right, AJ, your turn.
I think that's good, no?
No, let's see how far it'll go on one bar of battery.
I'll cut the small one down.
What about that one right there? That one's dead. Right next to the alive tree, there's a dead one right there. All we're doing is saving animals, dude. If we fell them right now, dude, fall the trees right now.
I think it is fell.
Huh?
It's definitely fell.
If we fell the tree right now, then, you know what I mean? Poor squirrel.
This one's dead enough.
A freak storm, friggin' boom. Bye-bye squirrel. Not on my watch. Fell the tree beforehand. What's this guy going? Where's he going? Nice. Solid.
Dude, this thing's pretty mint. For 189 bucks.
We need to get one of the little things to sharpen the blade, though.
We should just get a bunch of these blades have to be cheap. 12-inch blade.
Metal, dude. Metal expensive now.
This one's dead.
No, it's not. There's leaves on it. We can't just cut down anything. Only the dead ones that would actually fall, like in a windstorm.
All right, let's head back to the shop, boys. Out from my backyard. Stand it up tall first. And I'll cut it in half.
Don't do that.
Why? Because then we could just put half of it in the fire. I'll cut it down to this.
It's gonna be a try to cut it like that. We need a battery.
That's definitely the dumbest way I've seen you try to cut that.
It's dead. Yeah, but if I cut it in half
Just cut
first,
the rest of it to cut through it.
it's dead, dude.
Do it again, dude. There we go.
Literally dead.
Dead nothing. It'll go through it, dude.
Dead. Go grab a battery.
Throw this one on the charger. We're gonna need it. We got a lot of wood to cut. Oh, do you feel that?
Nice and toasty. Battery degradation city.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, that's the better one. That's the 4 amp hour max power. Max output. It's going faster.
They make a 6 amp hour.
really nice, man. Fucking hell. You can't get some more in there.
That's it.
Yeah.
Cut this right here for a second.
Got hitting me on.
Right through.
Yeah, right through your f***ing eye.
This thing's mint, dude.
Got through your f***ing roof rack eye. Alright, boys, as you can see, we had a long day of work today. We had to cut down some trees and whatnot. Yeah. AJ bought a. Look at his feet, dude. Yeah, guys, that's, you know, day in the life.
It's a rough life.
I sat here because I didn't want to break my back in the goddamn Legacy for 2 hours.
Dude, the Legacy ride's mint, dude.
They went
It's
and
aight.
picked up this chainsaw that I was skeptical of. Lo and behold, thing's pretty good. Fell some trees, dude. What is it?
Cut the weird stuff. Cut the weird stuff, dude. Look at the weird stuff.
It's you know, it's 3:47. It's like a normal work day, right? 3 hours. Something like that.
Noon to 3.
Yeah, we work hard here, boys. All right, so there's a chainsaw here. We tested it for you. Fell a big old tree. Got the chainsaw stuck a little bit. Bar, you know, not the ideal length for something that big, but that's not something we need it for. But it's good, dude. I like it.
Yeah, now when we're in the woods.
Get her going, dude. It's gonna be. We need to get a little headlight for it, like a little floodlight that goes that points at the ground, so we could, you know, it'd be good. We gotta test it out later.
Strap like a
handlebar mount one.
Just strap it to this.
Just use the one for the camera. Put a cold shoe on.
Yeah. Like, no, just like mount it around this right here, and then hit the switch, and like a pod light is right here. You know.
Like we can wire it into it so that when you hit the switch, it'll the light will go on. We should.
I don't know why they didn't put a light on it. Now that you're saying that.
I don't think that like is that rice? Am I being rice with this, or is that
No,
like,
that's
low-key a good
functional
idea?
for nighttime wheeling. That's about it.
That's what I'm saying. It's like kind of a good idea.
That's not a
Yeah, but
tool.
who
They're
actually buys
advertising
this?
like that.
Who buys this to cut trees down at their house?
Some idiot. Like there's clearly easier ways to do it. And it's buy a real chainsaw, not a Fisher Price jamming.
This
but
is
Fisher Price
compact,
jamming.
dude. If you throw it in the back of the
It's like the only use for it.
Is bringing it wheeling with you.
No lumberjack's gonna be like, yeah, man, bring it out in the bush and cut down some trees. Hey, you ain't cutting down the redwood.
we're gonna
with
start
this.
like a tree company with this one thing. We're gonna get 40 of
We're
them.
gonna have 5 dudes in one electric chainsaw, and that's gonna be our tree company.
You could probably get 4 dudes with one of these and get one tree.
3 are pushing the
If we
tree.
all stand in a square and take one side of the tree,
Start butting heads, start touching tips with the friggin'.
cutting each other's bar.
It's acting all coy and shit.
Alright, yeah. I guess that's it, boys. Like,
Yeah,
comment,
so-
subscribe. Click the playlist in the description. P.O. Box in the description. Facebook, BS Gaming, Bad Species, all that shit in the description. Check it out, boys. We'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for...
First boys out here with lumberjack content.
Yeah.
We're like Soldier Boy of lumberjack
We're
content.
like the jack of all trades, dude. What are we gonna do next?
More like the trades. of all
Skydiving content, dude. You're gonna be a pro
No.
paraglider.
That's one thing I'd never do.
Surfing. Hey, surfing.
Nope.
Surfing?
Switch to
I
surfing.
hate the ocean.
The ocean.
I hate the ocean. Maybe
We know
we
what
could do
goes
like
into the ocean, and we don't know what's under it. No, thank you.
maybe we'd do like kneeboarding on at a lake. Or
Oh,
something.
you could get into like like a
Paddleboard?
Cessna, like a tiny plane.
Oh my god. Anyways. Yeah. So that's the end of the video. We got a chainsaw, boys. See you guys in the next one.